$5, 2 pies, better than bakery. I know it sounds impossible, but I'm about to prove it. Today, we're making a blueberry crumble tart and a delicious southern peach cobbler, all under $5 each. Both so good, you'll never buy store-bought again. And stick around, because later in the video, I'm sharing my flaky crust secret that changed my baking life forever. Trust me, you'll want to screenshot this one. All right, now let's start with my peach cobbler. This one's special to me because it reminds me of those cozy Sunday afternoons when I was a kid watching cooking shows. I used to sit in front of the TV watching Martha Stewart and Julia Childs, completely mesmerized how they would take simple ingredients and make something magical out of them. I knew even then, this is what I wanted to do. So this cobbler is simple, it's classic, it's the kind of dessert that makes your house smell like memories. In a saucepan, I'm combining 2 cans of sliced peaches. We're using cans because they're budget friendly and honestly, they work perfectly here. For the topping, we're making a biscuit style batter. All-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, a pinch of salt, then we'll add our non-dairy milk and a little melted vegan butter. Here's the trick, don't overmix this. You want it just combined, still a little lumpy even. That's what keeps it soft and tender when it's baking. Spoon it right over your warm peach mixture. Don't worry about making it perfect. It spreads as it bakes and creates these beautiful golden pockets. About 30 minutes later, you've got that golden bubbling top that's crisp on the edges and soft in the center. This whole cobbler costs $4.80 to make, which breaks down to about 80 cents per serving. Serve it warm with a scoop of vegan vanilla ice cream or coconut whip. Pure comfort on a budget. Quick question before we move on to the tart. What's your favorite cozy dessert? Drop it in the comments. I used to watch all the cooking shows. Martha Stewart, Julia Childs, and Nigella Lawson making their beautiful pies and tarts. And I think to myself, one day I'm gonna make food just like that. They'd make everything look so easy like magic. And for the longest time, I thought you need special training or fancy tools to cook like that. But here's what I've learned, you don't need that. All you need is just good ingredients, a little patience, and a willingness to try. So let's make some magic with $5 worth of groceries. Okay, that cobbler was cozy, but this is the kind of dessert that makes people think that you spent hours in the kitchen. But really, it's one of the easiest vegan pies you'll ever make. $5 tart that looks like it belongs in a pastry shop window. The crust is where everything starts. Simple pantry staples, flour, just a touch of sugar, a pinch of salt, and cold vegan butter. I'm going to share that flaky crust secret in just a few minutes, so keep watching. But for now, we're working this butter into the flour until it looks like coarse crumbles. Then we'll add ice cold water, just a tablespoon at a time until the dough comes together. Don't overwork it. The less you handle it, the flakier it'll be. Press it into your pan. Prick it with a fork so it doesn't puff up, and we'll blind bake it for about 15 minutes. While that crust is baking, let's make the filling. I'm using frozen blueberries here. They're way more budget friendly than fresh, and they break down into the most gorgeous jammy texture. For the crumble topping, we're making what's basically a cookie dough. Flour, sugar, a little cinnamon, and melted vegan butter. Mix it until it's crumbly. Then we'll sprinkle it right over those blueberries. All right, real talk. How many of you avoided making pies because you thought the crust was too intimidating? Be honest, raise your hand in the comments if that's you. Look at this beautiful color. Deep purple blueberries with that golden crunchy crumble on top. And the best part? This entire tart, 8 slices, costs about $5 to make. That's 63 cents per slice. Perfect for holiday gatherings or honestly, just because you deserve something sweet. All right, here it is. The secret I promised you that'll make your baking life easier. This is what changed my vegan pie game forever. Instead of using all vegan butter in your crust, use half vegan butter and half coconut oil. But here's the key. You have to chill both until they're solid before you cut them into the flour. That combination of fats creates those flaky, buttery layers you get with dairy butter, but it's completely plant-based. And here's the bonus tip. You can make your pie crust ahead of time and freeze it for up to 3 months. And then when you're ready to use it, pop it right out of the freezer and into the oven. No thawing needed. Total game changer for stress-free holiday baking. If you're still watching this and loving it, drop a pie emoji or a blueberry emoji in the comments so I know. And tell me, which one are you making first? Peach cobbler or my blueberry tart? There you have it, 2 beautiful budget-friendly vegan pies for under $5 each. Total cost for both, under $10. That's proof you don't need expensive ingredients to make something special. If you want more easy vegan holiday baking recipes like this, I've got a full vegan holiday recipe cookbook with over 50 vegan festive recipes. Link is in the description below. And if this video helped you and you're gonna make one of these pies, hit that like button and share with someone who needs dessert inspiration. Seriously, send it to a friend who's always saying that vegan bacon is too expensive. Next week, I'm sharing how to make 3 cheap and easy family meals for under $13. You're not going to want to miss that one. So hit that subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications if you haven't yet. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.